Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Write down the value of m given that 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 to the power of m. When dealing with indices and multiplying, we simply add the powers. So it's 3, 4 plus 5. Since we only have to write m, we don't have to write the 3. So this is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9. We simply write the power. So we write here 9. Write down the value of n given that 5 to the power of 3 bracket to the power of 7 is equal to 5 to the power of n. When dealing with indices and brackets, simply multiply the powers. So that's 5, 3 times 7 is equal to 3 times 7 is 21. And since we only have to write the power, we write 21. Find the value of p given that 7 to the power of 8 times 7 to the power of 2 divided by 7 to the power of p is equal to 7 to the power of 6. Now, when multiplying indices, we add. When dividing indices, we subtract. So we can see here that 7 to the power of 8 times 7 to the power of 2 is simply plus 2. Divided by 7 to the power of p, so that's minus p, is equal to 7 to the power of 6. We can forget the 7 and just continue on. So 8 plus 2 is 10 minus p is equal to 6. We bring p to the other side and 6 to the other side. So 10 minus 6 is equal to p. Therefore, p is equal to 4. That's it. Cram, then scram.